For reference, the zipper is only on the driver's side, so that should help to tell you where it goes. Alright, so I've got it up and over, which, as you probably just saw, a little bit difficult for me. I'm short. What can I say? Gotta work on fitting it on just right, because it does have pretty specific fit. What's nice is there are spots for mirrors, which would also work if your mirrors, when you have them off for the doors being off, those would also account for that. It looks like the zipper is right here down the center, and it's probably so you can get inside the vehicle. At least that would be my assumption. These, I'm gonna call them bungees. I don't know what else to call them. Straps of some sort. They just kind of tighten down. Normal kind of strap. And then, depending on what you have for rock sliders, body protection, whatnot, I can go underneath and clip it right on here. And that will hold. I need to find the perfect place still. It's kind of good there. The back here, this one, I've noticed, is really long, even when shortened. And you can pretty much wrap this one all the way around and back to itself. These really seem to have to be as tight as they can go for this to work properly, at least in my experience so far. So like that. And I did put the windshield wipers up on top because it makes more sense. It does, however, if you look back here, go all the way behind the cab. So it protects that. This should also work perfectly fine without the top and doors and everything on. The thing to keep in mind is that it's going to be looser. With it being looser, that means that if you're using it for rain protection, things of that sort, you're probably going to want to go up inside before you try to take it off and push up and kind of shove the piece up top to get all the water off, just like you would a canopy, anything of that sort. Overall, it looks very nice. It looks like it will protect a lot. And even though it's going to be for someone that uses their vehicle with their doors off a lot, obviously during summer, not during winter normally, but I'll probably end up putting it through some of its own winter bases as well, because as you can see, we do have snow, and the neighbor's dog doesn't like that I'm videoing. So thanks again to LED Factory Mart for sending this out to me. I believe that they're going to give me a link or discount code or something that I can put in the description, so go check them out. If you like this, let me know. Give me a comment, anything. Just show me that you're actually watching these videos, because I like making them, but I feel like no one ever watches them. Alright, see you in the next one.